if you're new to UGC, I have a really useful tip for you. So, also don't mind my hair. It's saturated in oil, trying to get it to grow. So, to be a content creator, you have to stay organized, right? I highly recommend Google Sheets. It makes life so much easier. Google Docs is also great to use. So, Google Sheets is great because you can have different tabs at the bottom. And I find that very, very helpful to have all of your stuff in one document. So I have a tab for brands, for videos, for my schedule, to-do list, and a few other ones. And it's just amazing to have. And with Google Docs, I usually have like my goals for the month, um, my scripts, and if I want to like save certain hashtags, like I'll write those down too. Honestly, I could go on and on about how much I love Google Sheets and Google Docs, but I'll leave it at that. And if you guys want to see a separate video of like my Google Sheets and or my Google Docs, let me know.